That's Papa. Papa, Texas.
Gonna tell us what you have on there?
Oh, I got some bacon going. I got some hash browns going. I got Papa Texas running around going. We're hitting that battle. Yes, we are.
Hey y'all, okay, for breakfast, I mean, these girls have been awesome. They let me sleep in. I get up and the coffee's made and things are going on out here, you know, and I'm blessed this morning. And right now we got some bacon going and we got some hash browns going. Go for it. Turn around and smile.
Bacon eggs?
All right.
Bacon eggs.
Thank you much. All right. Slates.
All right. Ooh, hot.
People come, people go. They come in, they go out. And so what we got? What we got right now?
Nothing said was probably better because as soon as you did that,
That's what we got at the site right now. About the fifth, sixth time that we grouped up, gone away, grouped up, gone away. Different people, been a lot of people here. I'll be back.
Pop was supposed to be over here doing this.
It's got that. Just go over to Sturgis and you can get any tent you want. For free. Sturgis.
Finger this out of here.
Yep. Yep.
Look at you go, girl. I didn't know you. Is there anything you can't do? Don't say it. Don't say it.
All right. Ready for my eggs, Rhonda? Help me, Rhonda. All right, are you ready for some?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Eggs?
you. And just a hash brown. I
Oh, you don't
love
want any
bacon.
bacon?
Yeah, but it don't agree.
I just feel like I'm at a Japanese steakhouse.
We got people stopping by and eating. We do. I think we got like 70 or 80 eggs. Pounds and pounds of bacon. A bunch of hash brown. Coffee filled to the pot. Coming by, taking their morning walks, getting a little fill up, heat up on the coffee.
put some on here for me. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Papa. Papa Texas.
There you go.
I thought you'd have my plate fixed by now.
I did, but I ate it.
Yeah, I thought you'd have my plate fixed by now.
I went back a bunch. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Bacon.
I need more bacon.
Bacon, bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon.
It's an Iowa thing.
Good morning.
Good morning, lady. How are you?
Good. You're looking good.
Thank you. When does she does not listen? Come on.
Most of the time.
I slept so good.
All right. You got hash browns.
Yep. Want to finish off these eggs?
Sure. Thank you, my man.
Yeah. Bam! I didn't even think about getting my bacon. I think I got enough bacon here. We'll get before we get back to bacon out here. Okay, my cat. I'm going to get more bacon. That's Papa.
Good morning, Dorothy.
Bacon?
Nifty. Nifty thrifty.
You feel like?
Are these all Lance's?
These are farm fresh eggs over here.
Another pair.
Farm fresh eggs here. Yeah, from farm.
Well, I can see he's doing a really good job of supervising. I don't do as good as you. Yeah, you know, you got to pass the torch. Are you Papa Texas Jr. now?
I'm Papa Texas.
E.T. That'd be me.
From right here, folks. Don't mess with Texas.
That's right.
Papa Texas.
You do that pretty darn good.
Well, yeah, no, when he contacted me, I woke everybody in Iowa up. And I said, holy shit. Ah, wait, holy crap.